going. Keep going. Oh, ayan. Oh my God! Good girl! Ay, good girl! Ay! Kevin! Kevin! Alay! Alay! Kevin! Keep going! Keep going! Keep going! Alay! Pang TikTok natin, pang TikTok. Ayan. Ayan na. Kayang-kaya na niya. Oh guys. May sakit si Layla guys. So first time guys, nilagnat ni Layla. Na yan. 6 months siya. Pero at least guys, kumakain siya. Nagtatae din siya guys. So ang hirap. Supposed to be, ngayong araw, mayroon siyang appointment sa isang company guys. Yung sa modeling. So, ma-interview sana kami guys. Pero cancel siya at reschedule siya kasi si Layla may lagnat kagabi. Si Layla may lagnat kaninang madaling araw guys. So, ayan. Next week kami ulit guys. Kawawa yung bata kapag may sakit. Yeah, Layla, right? Oh, you have fever. Layla, guys. She's crying. Yeah, cry man ang baby ni Mommy. Dan? Okay na? Malingit siya, guys. God bless you. God bless you. Super alingit. Wala sa mod. Wala sa mod. May lagnat ang baby ni Mommy. Alingit siya, guys. What? Guys. Nakalakad na si Layla, guys. Tuwa-tawa siya. Yan na yung first lakad niya, guys. Since na nilagay namin siya dyan sa walker. So, before, hindi pa niya abot yan. Yang floor. So, ngayon, ayan, lakad-lakad na siya. Come here. Come here. Keep walking. Come here. Come here. Keep walking. Keep walking. Kasi kanina guys, iniwan ko siya. Then daddy niya is nandito. Kausap niya. So, pagbalik ko guys, kasi nagsampay ako. Nandito na siya. Ngayon, nakalagad na siya. Come here. Come on. Hello. Ayan. So, yan guys. Ano yung first lakad niya. So, 6 months siya. 6 months pala yung bata kapag naglalakad na talaga, no? So, nilagay kasi namin siya dyan before 4 months pa siya. So, hindi pa nga siya marunong mag-balance, guys. Kahit kagaya din siya sa kanyang high chair, guys. So, ngayon, balance na siya. Nayaan ko na siya dyan. Yay! So, hi guys. Alis tayo, guys. Samahan ko yung aking dad-in-law, guys. Mag-shopping siya ng kanyang short sa Kmart. So, samahan natin, guys. Kamasyal na rin tayo. So, see you later, guys. So, yun, guys. Punta kami, guys. Oh, nakalimutan ko yung ano ko. Eyeglass. Mainit. So, andito si Layla, guys. Samahan ko lang yung dad-in-law ko. Bibili ng kanyang pants. Siya. Ayun, guys, at si Kimax. Yan ang Kimax. Ganda niya, guys, oh. Steve Madden. Ang dami nilang mga designer bag dito. Ang ganda niya. Nagpapakarga si Layla, guys. Hindi ako masyadong makapamili ng bag. So, hi guys. Nandito na kami sa bahay guys. Magluto tayo guys. So, maghalo ako ng celery guys. At yan. Burger yung aming dinner ngayon. So, homemade burger guys. So, nandito si Layla. Kararating lang namin guys. Galing sa shop. Hello Layla! So, mayaan ko lang siya dito guys sa kanyang sounds. Ko kanina guys, yung doon sa shop sa Tiki Max. Yan. Ang ganda niya eh. Gusto ko yung tela. So, yan guys. Galing kami sa shop. Nandito si Layla. Hello! Magluto ako guys habang hindi siya umiyak. Kasi 6 PM na dito guys. Just crying guys. So, hi guys! Welcome back guys to my YouTube channel guys. So, kung bago ka pa lang guys sa aking channel, so don't forget guys to like and subscribe! So, yun guys, for today's video guys, mayroon tayong ganap. Andyan si Layla guys. So, since nandito ako guys sa room at nagayos. So, for today guys, yung video natin is... Ayan, mayroon kaming interview guys sa isang company. So, yan siya is a modeling company guys sa mga baby. So, nag-apply ako guys last 2 weeks ago. And then, ayan, na pumasa kami guys sa isang application and let's see kung ano yung magiging resulta guys sa ating interview guys kay Layla. So sana hindi yan siya mag-iiyak para yan pumasa tayo guys at laging naka-smile yan siya. So supposed to be guys, yan siya is dapat last week. Kaso si Layla guys is nagkalagnat. So naglagnat yan siya. So na-postpone yung aming interview online. So yan guys, update ko kayo later guys at mag-ayos lang ako guys. So, tapusin ko lang guys, hindi pa ako nakasuklay. So, yan, nandiyan na sila tapos na yan siya. And waiting na lang guys ako sa partner ko. And then, yan, let's see what's happened. Ready? Okay. Oh, we don't have
Huh?
we don't have microphone. She said they like this one. Just try her, just try.
Maybe adapter.
Here, it's okay here. There is because we don't have a microphone. You can hear?
Hello?
Can hear?
Can you hear me? Hello?
Because they told that we need to have the earphone, but we don't have. So,
Headphone? Headphone?
but you can hear.
No, I couldn't hear.
But I hear it before, man. Oh. It's working, man. You have right. You have right. Yeah, just try it. It's working.
Where's the screen gone?
Just try. Where's that? I think it's working. Trying Wi-Fi. I can hear it now. Where's the in? It's in the movie? No, here. I don't think so. I'll try music. I can hear it.
Can you hear?
Also, it's
Yeah, it's working.
broken.
Mm-hmm.
Lock, you can hear.
Yeah, I know. It works. How can you talk?
I think she's gone. Like this.
What?
She's
Oh, no. What's that? What's that?
Just wait, honey. She's...
You should come back in a minute.
Hindi siya nag-unbox mo.
You might have to use that one. You can't talk in it. You can't talk in it.
Kan?
No, it's only for listening. That one.
Really?
Yeah. That one, no microphone. Big rash tonight.
Yeah, I don't know why. Hi guys! So yun guys, tapos na guys. Ay, Layla! Tapos na guys yung interview. So, pumasa si Layla guys. So, bibigyan kami ng contract niya. O, diba? So, silang maghahawak kay Layla. So, agency siya guys ng modeling company. Pasado si Layla. Gusto nila si Layla guys. Yep. Pap. So, di ko lang siya guys na videohan kasi ayaw ko lang i-record yung usapan namin. At baka kita tayo guys. So, privacy nila yun, di ba? So, yun guys. At least, pasado tayo guys. Ay! Layla! Pasado si Layla guys. Yay!
Good.
But we will start so that she has a confidence.
Yeah.
She'll not shy. Yeah, look at that!
Take photo, professional. But I don't want her to be shy.
Yeah, so that she'll not be shy, huh?
No. Confident.
She has confidence.
Yeah, because you're so beautiful.
Look, Handy, like, huh?
What?
Ayla! Tumatayo na siya, guys. Layla! Tayo-tayo na siya. Tayo-tayo. Ala, oh. Tayo-tayo na siya, guys, oh. Kaya ganyan yan siya, guys. Nahulog yan siya, guys. Dahil, yan. Doon siya nahulog. So, ang nangyari, yung paa niya siguro, kasi dito yung ulo niya nung time na yun. So, paatras siya ng paatras. Kaya nahulog siya, guys. And then, dyan siya sa ilalim niyan. So, yan siya. Kasi malikot na siya, guys. Yan. Gumagapang na talaga. Gumagapang na. Gumagapang na. Ayan na. Ayan na. Sige. Mahulog ka na naman. Sige. Ayan. How's your interview? Smiling always. Yeah, may kontrata na siya, guys. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. Lala. Layla. Come on. Ticket. Hold that one. Come on. ang dumi-dumi niya, guys. Very messy. Nag-enjoy siya sa snack niya. Layla have snack avocado. Aba.